Hey guys, do you have a 2005 second gen Prius where the AC either stopped blowing or will not blow hard? I'm going to show you how to fix it with a very simple part. You may have already thrown a new blower motor in there only to find out it's doing the same thing. So I'm just going to do a quick rundown of the symptoms. I got the glove box taken out of the car and the bottom shield taken off the car. We're looking through the glove box, and if you see that little hamster wheel looking thing in there, that's the blower motor. So let's go ahead and just run through some symptoms here, try to give you a little bit of light. I got the vehicle on, climate control on, settings on low, and I'm just going to go ahead and cycle through the settings here for you to be able to see the fan. If you can, I got the shittiest light in the world here. That's low, second up from low, third up from low, medium, still nothing, medium high, got a little bit of fan, not much at all, second one from high, got a little bit more fan, high, I have some fan, but it's blowing very low. So I'm going to show you how to fix this here. What you want to do is get to your local parts store, grab yourself a blower motor resistor. That is part number JA1680 by Wells. This is what it looks like here. Let me show you where it's at. If you have these two components taken off, this is your lower kick shield and your glove box. Take a look underneath here. You're going to see this is already unbolted. This, I'm telling you, these Prius forms are ridiculous. These guys don't know what they're talking about, but this is the actual transmission control. People think this is the blower control. It's not. It looks like it is, but it's not. This is bolted up underneath here with two 10mm screws. You got a 10mm screw here, 10mm screw over here. Drop that down, look back a little bit farther, and look up. And that's the blower motor resistor right there. So what you want to do is, with the vehicle off, obviously, you unplug these two plugs. Let me switch it off. Turn that off. Up underneath the car, you're gonna unplug this one. You're gonna unplug this one. It's gonna free it up. Go ahead and take your new blower motor resistor here. Here's a new part. Test it first. So let me, well, with one hand, plug these in. This one's gonna go in the right bank here. This one's gonna go left bank. Sorry for the bad video, guys. Here. Man, one-handed. Hold on. Like that. It's plugged in. You want to start the vehicle, but before you start it, you want to actually start the engine. So I'm going to go ahead and hold my hand on the brake and hit the power button. Watch it come up. Let it blow. Oh yeah. Now we got full power. So if we go low, see it spinning down there. Second up from low. Third. Medium high, and then max high. It's purring. So that's what you want to do to fix your blower. I replaced my blower motor thinking it was something like the blower motor. It wasn't. If you're going to do this, honestly, grab a cabin air filter. That's where you're seeing this here. The cabin air filter slips right in there. Grab a cabin air filter at like $8. Blower motor's about 35 bucks. Replace that while you're at it. Clean everything, which is what I'm about to do here, and grab one of these. You're looking at about a $200 fix. You got AC again. Now, this is not if your AC is blowing but it's not cold, then you have something wrong underneath the hood. If it's cold but it's barely blowing or not blowing at all, it's going to be the resistor. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope this helped anybody out, and remember to subscribe, thumbs up, and I'll get you in the next video.